Yeah, could you tell us more about your quality management system?
We have ISO 9001 certified, I think, 8 or 9 years ago. And we just have recently ISO 13485 certified. And we have GMP facilities in Hillsborough, brand new labs with scale-up facilities. So we can easily make up hundreds of kilos. I would say tens of uh, kilos.
How do you work with companies during the proof of concept phase? Do you supply the polymer for companies to do all the testing at their facilities? Do you do some of the testing? And if so, what kind of testing capabilities do you have in-house?
We have thermal analysis equipment like DSC. We measure the viscosity. We have GPC, HPLC, and GC facilities. We don't have NMR. We send it out for NMR. We have basic testing facilities in-house. So we have no problem. Polymer testing we have. No problem.
And after a polymer has gone through the proof of concept phase, what's usually the next step for a company that's evaluating a new material?
Okay, the choices are mostly leave it to the customer. We can scale up the polymer and give the complete polymer to the customer, or we process to a certain extent and give the polymer to the customer. It's based on the customer requirements. If it's a startup company, we can work with the customer from concept to the developmental stage.